Hey everybody, this is Blaze from Ride On Gear with a quick tech tip on your RMAX. While you're in here doing your clutch service, these two oil lines rub on the lower skid plate. Prior to me zip tying them up tight and putting rubber around them, they really were able to flop around, and I actually noticed that mine were wearing through before. I know this has been talked about on the forums before. Finally got the chance to do it on this machine, but what I did to help solve the issue was utilize zip ties as a divider first, so that it separates the two lines and also stiffens them against one another. And then I just took some rubber that I had in the shop here and wrapped it around the lines, so that on the base, so that they can't rub anymore on the skid plate. And as you can see, they're a lot tighter in place versus how they were before. I apologize, I did not get a video of it prior to me doing all that, but that could save you a lot of trouble. There's been guys that have blown up engines because the line ran through them by the time, or rubbed through them by the time they figured it out, the motor was toast. So hopefully that saves you guys a lot of heartache out there. Thanks.